Chapter 7. More about Paint. Selecting and editing objects. In Paint, if you want to make a change to a certain part of a picture or an object, you need to select the part of the picture which you want to change and then make the required changes, resizing the object, moving or copying it, rotating it, or cropping the picture to show only the selected item. The Select tool. Use the Select tool to select the part of the picture that you want to change. Activity 1. To use the Select tool. 1. Click the down arrowhead under Select in the image group. 3. Do one of the following depending on what you want to select. A. Rectangular selection. To select any square or rectangular part of the picture, click Rectangular Selection and then drag the pointer to select the part of the picture that you want to work with. B. Free Form Select. To select any irregularly shaped part of the picture, click Freeform Selection and then drag the pointer to select the part of the picture you want to work with. More selection options. C. Select All. To select the whole picture, click Select All. D. Invert Selection. To select everything in the picture except for the currently selected area, click Invert Selection. E. Delete. To delete the selected object, click Delete. Rotating the picture. The rotation button is used to rotate the whole picture or a selected part of it. Activity 2. To rotate the picture. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Select the portion that you want to rotate. 3. Click on the Rotate button in the image group. Select the rotation direction. The image or the selected part will be rotated. Resizing or skewing a picture or part of it. Use the Resize button to resize the whole image or an object or a part of a picture. You can also skew an object in the picture so that it appears slanted. Resizing the picture. Use the Resize button to resize the whole image or an object or a part of a picture. You can also skew an object in the picture so that it appears slanted. Activity 3. To resize the picture. 1. Select the portion that you want to resize. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Resize button in the image group. 4. The Resize and Skew dialog box opens. A. Select the Maintain Aspect Ratio checkbox so that the resized picture will have the same aspect ratio as the original. B. In the Resize area, click Percentage. You can also select Pixels and then enter a new width in the horizontal box or new height in the vertical box. Click on OK button. The selected part will get resized. Fact file. If Maintain Aspect Ratio checkbox is selected, you only need to enter horizontal value or width or vertical value, that is height. The other box in the resize area is updated automatically. Quick quiz. How many types of selection tools are available in Paint program? Skew the picture. To skew means to apply a horizontal or vertical slant to an image. Activity 4. To skew the picture. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Click the selected button and choose the required Select tool. Drag the pointer to select the area or object. 3. Click on the Resize button. The Resize and Skew dialog box opens. Type the amount to skew in the horizontal and vertical boxes in degrees in the skew area and then click on OK. The selected portion will get skewed. Quick quiz. What is the difference between skew and rotate? Moving and copying objects. After you select an object, you can cut or copy the selected item. This allows you to use one object many times in your picture if you want, or to move an object when it is selected to a new part of your picture. Copy and paste. The copy and paste options are used to copy the selected portion from one location to another. The portion remains at the original location and also gets copied to another location. Cut and paste. The cut and paste options are used to move the selected portion from one location to another. Activity 5. To use cut and paste option. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Select the area of the object you want to cut. 3. Click on the Cut button in the clipboard group. 4. Click on the Paste button in the clipboard group. The object will be pasted on the top left corner of the screen. With the object still selected, move it to a new place in your picture when you want it to appear. Tip: you can simply drag the selected portion or to move the cutout. Press the Ctrl key and drag the cutout to make copies of it. Quick quiz. What difference you find in cut and copy? Cropping the picture. Many times you just want to keep the selected portion and delete the rest of the drawing. The crop option lets you do exactly this. Use crop tool to crop a picture so only the part that you selected appears in your drawing. Activity 6. To crop the picture. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Select the part of the picture you want to show. 3. Click on the Crop button in the image group. The image will be cropped. Cropped piece. To set your picture as your desktop background. You can also set the picture to use it as the desktop background on your computer.